Does this star just vanishes after the supernova explosion? No, it actually leaves us with the most mysterious kind of stuff. I'm Shweta from Astronera and I welcome you to our course, The Star Stuff. We discussed in the last lecture how the high mass stars die the most dramatic deaths. In this lecture, let's find out how that's not really the end of it all. Remnant of the high mass star after it explodes into supernova can become neutron star or a black hole. This completely depends on the mass of the core and also on the conditions within the core during its collapse. The ultimate fate of a neutron star is also unclear. From the observed rates of supernova explosions in other galaxies, it appears that several 100 million neutron stars must have formed in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. However, most of these are not visible now, having cooled down and becoming completely inactive while fading out of sight. This is still not the end of the life cycle of the star. The interstellar medium is both the birthplace of new stars and also dumping ground for dying stars. The dust and debris left behind by supernovae eventually blend with the surrounding interstellar gas and dust, enriching it with the heavy elements and chemical compounds produced during the stellar death. These heavy elements created in the supernova will become the part of the next generation of the stars and the planets. So the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the phosphorus in your DNA, it's really the star stuff. And the cycle of the life of star will continue. Join me in the next lecture, which is the last one, to quickly summarize what all we learned in this course. I'll see you there.